हेलो फ्रेंड्स। इस वीडियो में हम लर्न करेंगे कि हम अपने गूगल के ऐड अकाउंट को किस तरीके से अपने यूट्यूब चैनल से कनेक्ट करेंगे और हम किस तरीके से अपने ऑडियंस मैनेजर को यूज़ करते हुए डिफरेंट ऑडियंस क्रिएट करेंगे। लेट्स बिगिन द वीडियो। ओपन योर ऐड अकाउंट। To create a link, just click on the tools. In setup, you will see link accounts. Click over there. I want to link a YouTube account. I want to add a new account over here. I will paste the link of the account which I want to connect it. Paste the link of that. Press the link of that YouTube channel. It's okay. I already have one more account linked over here. Let's begin the video with that. Tools, Audience Manager, create new audience, website visitors, app users, YouTube users, customer list, or a custom combination. I would like to have a YouTube users audience. Audience name, I'm, for example, what kind of audience I am selecting over here, I will write the name accordingly. Select the YouTube channel of this audience segment. If you have multiple channels, you may select out of that. I have right now one, so I'm selecting that. Okay, include people who have taken the following action: viewed my any of the video, view certain videos, view any video or ad, view certain videos as ads, subscribe to the channel, or visit my channel page. So I will select over here view any video in last 90 days. Here you are having the option that if you want to select the people who has been visiting to your channel, or if you are going to start from the empty segment from today onwards. So I will prefer the first option. Let me write the name of my audience segment. Description, I just let it go. Save this. In this way you may create many audiences. I want to create one more to user. Here I want to select visit the channel page, subscribe to the channel, view certain videos, view any videos. Here I'm selecting this. Let me write the name of the audience segment. View any video, right? For last 90 days is okay. And save this. I may use any of these segments which I have created over here in my Google Ads. It is taking some time for populating, so let it be populated. Hopefully you like the video. If you like the video, just press the thumbs up, subscribe my channel, share my channel. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.